nói lên thôi. Did it rain here last night, bro? Don't know. Yeah, let's go be an array. Find array back home there. Do I do? Oh. Oh.
I like Samuel better. It's a good name for you.
Oh, well, thank you, Salita. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. I like Samuel better too. But, do you know how to get me out of here?
Well, actually, I do know how to get you out of here.
Do you know the way?
I think you've been seeing it for quite a while now.
What? You mean I've been walking past this exit the whole time? Where is it?
It's right there in front of you.
This is the better thing. Oh, that door is the exit?
Yep.
Well, actually not the exit, but it's the enter.
Well, I think the answer. I don't know. You name it.
So embarrassing, amigo. Oh. Man, oh. So embarrassing, no, believable. Oh, crap. So embarrassing. I am so sorry about that. Oh. It's so embarrassing. I'm so sorry.
Hey, it's okay. Everybody gets embarrassed and make mistakes. Wait a minute. What's this? Wait a minute. Are those one of them golden animal things?
Yeah, I found it over there. Right over there in that small cave, something made out of bricks. Don't know what it is, but it's a cave. I found it in there with my friend Chadis, but then he left me, so now I'm lost because of him. But since you helped, I know my way out now, amigo. Oh, sorry, I'm in your face. Sorry.
It's alright. But you're so lucky to have this.
I am.
Yes. You know why you're so lucky?
Right.
Because the legend says that when you like say the magic word at night,
Yes.
the golden animal will come back to, not come back, come to life, come to life, and then it'll protect you for life. If it wants to.
Wow. Oh Lord. Oh, I did not notice that. How did you know that?
Hey, I'm just an old female squirrel. I know everything. I'm a wise squirrel, you know.
Have you tried it before?
Actually, I did. Because one time I had a dog, he died, but then I built him by gold. Then I said the magic word at night. Then he came to life and protected me. But he didn't want to protect me for life. He had to go.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Very interesting story. But what is your name exactly? What's your name?
Oh dear, I'm silly. My name is Liza Squirrel. Nice to meet you.
Riza Squirrel?
Yep.
Nice name for an old squirrel. But if you don't mind, Riza, could you take me back in the house? so I can be with my friends again?
Certainly, certainly. But they're not moving anyway. So I'm probably gonna be moving in that house too, probably. I don't know though.
Huh.
Alright. Pack up your things and let's get moving.
This is my things. This eagle right here is my things. Well, that's in case.
Pack up your eagle then. What was that? Was that a war? What is it? It's the tiger.
You know this tiger?
Yep. He always tries to like catch me all the time. But I always fooled him.
Oh. How'd you fool him all the time?
Simple. Every time when he chases me, I just ran so fast, took a short turn, and then I lost him. Ain't that cool?
Yeah, very cool. Sounds pretty scary too. Even like I can fly, it's still scary. I mean, oh Jesus. With this, and you know why it's scary for me?
Why?
Because I've been attacked by a bunch of animals yesterday. I've been attacked by like another bunch of animals yesterday, and it's horrifying.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. But don't worry. Hey, you're safe with me. If you want to stay with me.
Certainly. But am I staying out here?
No. You're going in the house with me. To move in.
Oh. How about it's time to break your heart? But I mostly like to stay with my friends though. If that isn't a problem for you.
Oh, not a problem at all. I know you have friends. You have such a good friends.
Do you have such good friends? Yeah, most of them, yeah.
That's great.
Alright.
Let's go and take you home.
Such a nice squirrel. Alright, let's go.
Okay, and we're now up here. Now all I have to do is try to open that doorknob somehow.
I think I got an idea.
No!
Risey, remember you said you're wise about the tiger. Let him chase you.
I can't. Why not? Because there's no way for me to run.
It seems to me that all of us will be breakfast. Right. It's been months, right, Razy?
It's been months indeed, Sharp Eye.
Sharp Eye?
Yes. And now, since you don't have any more places to run or escape, there's no way you can escape our way this time, Risey. We'll see about that. Samuel, where my leaf? Huh? Ah! Hang on. Ah!